In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate ClickUp with Outlook. By the end, you'll have your tools working together so you can manage emails and tasks in one streamlined workflow. First, make sure you're in your ClickUp account. That simply means opening ClickUp and signing in so you're looking at your workspace, not the public marketing site. If you have more than one workspace, confirm you're in the one where you want the integration to live, as integrations are typically scoped to the active space or workspace. This helps avoid confusion later. Next, look for the More option in ClickUp. You'll usually find it in the left-hand sidebar near the bottom, where additional options and settings live. If your sidebar is collapsed, hover over it to expand, then scroll until you see the More option. Click it to reveal the extended menu. From there, choose Apps. This opens the area where ClickUp houses its integrations and add-ons. Think of it as your integrations directory. It's the easiest place to connect services without digging through multiple setting pages. Once you're in Apps, locate Outlook. You can browse the categories if you like, but the quickest way is to use the search bar and type Outlook. This narrows down the list so you can find the Outlook integration card right away. If you don't immediately see it, double-check spelling, make sure you're viewing all integrations, and confirm you're in the correct workspace. Click the Outlook integration and then follow the prompts on your screen. The prompts will guide you through connecting your Microsoft account and granting the necessary permissions so ClickUp can communicate with Outlook. Be sure to choose the correct Microsoft account, especially if you have both personal and work profiles. If your organization manages permissions, you might be asked to have an admin approve access. Allow pop-ups if your browser blocks them, and read each permission screen so you know what's being connected. When you confirm, the integration will complete and you should see a success or connected status. That's it. You've opened your ClickUp account, navigated to More, selected Apps, found Outlook, clicked it, and completed the on-screen prompts. A few quick tips as you wrap up. Keep your ClickUp and Microsoft accounts active in the same browser session to prevent sign-in loops, and if anything seems stuck, refresh the apps page and retry. After connecting, you'll be able to bring email context into your tasks and streamline how you act on messages without switching tools. Thanks for watching and enjoy your smoother workflow with ClickUp and Outlook working together.